we got the day off, and usually on a day off we go fishing. But here in North Florida, ain't nobody fishing. Well, I can't say ain't nobody, you never know. I mean, there ain't no fishing going on because it started snowing. It never snows in Florida. A little bit icy, but actually we have several inches of snow. That never happens, ever. But I never get to wear this jacket either. Why aren't you out fishing?
A little bit of weather, you know, kind of snowy. We're gonna go ice fishing though. You happy now? Oh yeah? Here you go.
So it's so damn cold here that a little bird flew in my house. He was like sitting. A little bird followed me in. This poor thing's just so damn cold. Aw, looks like a baby bird.
Good.
So basically, that's why we're not fishing today in Florida, and a whole bunch of other people aren't fishing today in Florida. Who would have known? I'm gonna play outside.